This is LeetCode question number 88, Merge Solid Array. This is easy question. Given two solid integer arrays nums1 and nums2, merge nums2 into nums1 as one solid array. Note, the number of elements initialized is nums1 and nums2 are m and n, respectively. You may assume that nums1 has enough space size that is greater or equal to m plus n to hold additional element from nums2. Okay, let's check with example 1. M is 3. 3 means 1, 2, 3. So index is 0, 1, 2. And n is 3, 2, 5, 6. So, and then it is time I gonna use three-pointer technique. First is index for nums1, and second is index of nums2, and last is right index, that is index of nums1. So first I will compare with this one and then put into bigger to right index. After that I will decrease index here and then also decrease the biggest index here, and then compare this one with this one and then put bigger is here, and then decrease index and then also decrease index. Compare this one with this one. In this time 3 is here, and then compare with 2, 2, and then anything go to here. So finally 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6. Did it make sense? Okay, let's complete. Let's implement it. Okay, first I will make the writing index. Name is right is m plus n minus 1 because index start with 0. First change m to index. I will deduct 1, 1, 2 because m and also start with 0. And then while m is above the 0 and n also equal and above the 0, and then I will check if nums1's n is smaller than nums2, and I will put nums1 right bigger one, nums2 n, and then I will reduce index. N must be smaller. Else put nums1 right index, put nums1 and n because else is this one is bigger, and then also decrease m index minus 1, and then after finish it I will right index so decrease because this one is already filled. And then now this case 2, 3, at that time 3 is here, and then now the index of here is filled 0. So at this time this even iteration is the finish it, but nums2 is still here. So we need to put somewhere over here, right? While n is equal and higher than 0, and then I will put nums1 right, put nums1.m. So m nums2.m, because this is nums2 and then index is n. And I will decrease index, and then I will decrease right index. Okay, it looks good, and submit. Okay, in this time there is one iteration, so time complexity is linear and space complexity is constant space, because we use only in place. Thank you.